Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a Kylie Jenner inspired makeup look. A lot of you guys asked me for this one. At the end of the tutorial, I also give you two lip options which will take this look to a different level. There are so many tips and tricks that I learned while doing this tutorial, and so sharing it with you guys. This look is a very soft, romantic look. So let's get started. So taking my Maybelline Master Prime Primer, I'm gonna apply it on my T-zone area as well as my cheeks, and then I'm gonna apply it with my fingers and blend the product into my skin. Next, I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade number 230 Natural Buff, and taking my damp Real Techniques sponge, I'm applying it all over my face and blending the product really well. The more you blend the product, the more natural it's gonna look. So take your time, blend the foundation really well, because if the foundation doesn't sit on your skin well, then the finished makeup doesn't look good. Then taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer, I'm gonna apply it on my under eye area and then blend it with the help of my damp Real Techniques sponge. The salmon shade helps to hide the dark circles and it blends beautifully. Next, I'm going to take this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and I'm going to apply it on top of the other concealer. I'm doing this to highlight that area. I've also seen Kylie highlight the forehead, the bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow and chin, so I'm doing that as well. And then I'm again blending everything with the help of my Real Techniques sponge. Next, taking the Bharat and Dorris loose powder. This is in the shade number 7. I generally bake my under eye area, but today I'm not going to bake it. I'm just going to apply a thin layer of powder in my under eye area. This is what Kylie does. And the brush is from the Body Shop. It's the Face and Body brush. And whatever is left on the brush, I'm just applying it all over my face. Next, I'm going to bronze my face with the help of my Body Shop bronzer. This is in the shade Deep Matte. And I'm just going to bronze my forehead, my cheeks and my jawline. Next, taking Maybelline the Nudes palette and taking this dark brown shade, I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows. Then I'm going to contour using this LA Girl Pro Contour Powder in the shade Tan. And I'm going to contour the hollows of my cheekbones, a little bit on my temple, jawline. And I'm also going to contour my nose. And the brush I'm using is the Oriflame Blush Brush. And the tiny brush is a freebie that came with a YSL palette. Then taking my Makeup Revolution London Flawless 4 palette, I'm going to use this muted pink shade, and the brush I'm using is the Oriflame blending brush, and I'm going to apply the color in the crease of my eyes, and I'm adding the color slowly till the time I am happy with the intensity of the color. Then taking this warm brown shade, I'm also going to apply it in the crease of my eyes, but with more precision. And the brush is from Studio West and it is the blending brush. And I'm going to apply it on the crease of my eyes and also on the outer corners. Next, taking the muted pink shade again, I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. And then taking this dark brown shade, I'm applying it only on the outer corners of my eyes, just for a little bit of depth. Then taking this banana shade or cream shade, I'm applying it in the inner third area of my eyelids. And then taking this blush from Wet n Wild, it is in the shade Apricot. I'm using it on top of the banana shade. And without taking any extra product, I'm just blending everything so that there are no harsh lines. Then taking this dark brown shade, I'm applying it on my upper lash line close to my lashes. And the brush I'm using is from Colorbar and it is a flat eyeshadow brush. I'm applying the eyeshadow just as I would have applied any eyeliner. This gives a very soft look to the eyes. Now Kylie applies brown eyeliner. I did not have any brown eyeliner, And taking the end of the tube as a guide, I'm applying the dark brown shade with the help of the blending brush. And this is going to take the shape of an eyeliner. And I love this because unlike an eyeliner, this gives a very soft look. Next, I'm curling my lashes and putting on mascara. The mascara I'm using is L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Here I just applied some false lashes and applying the dark brown eyeshadow on top of the lash band. Then taking this matte blush, this is from the Body Shop and it's called Truffle. I'm gonna apply it on my cheeks. And also I've seen Kylie apply the blush on top of her forehead, her nose and chin. Next, taking this highlighter shade from Maybelline Master Contour Palette, I'm going to highlight all the high points of my face, like my brow bone, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, chin, forehead, and a little bit above my eyebrows and on top of my cheekbones. Next, taking my Bharat and Dorris loose powder, and with the help of my Real Technique sponge, I'm going to bake under my contour. Now this is something that Kylie does, and I'm just trying it for the first time ever. I'm gonna let the powder sit there for a while and do my lips. So I'm gonna take this Miss Claire lip liner in the shade Sandy Pink and line my lips, and also fill my lips with it. Then taking this Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade number 12, I'm just applying it all over my lips. And then taking this Loreal Infallible Pro Matte Gloss in the shade Blushing Ambition, I'm applying it all over my lips. I'm applying the same Miss Claire lip liner again. And now I'm going to remove the loose powder. And what this does is it sharpens the contour and makes the contour look more intense. Next, I'm going to take this nude lip liner from Avon and apply it in my waterline. I forgot to highlight the inner corners of my eyes, so highlighting it now. Next, taking this L'Oreal liner Magique in the shade Black, I'm applying it on my lash band so that the lash glue doesn't show. And I'm not flicking the eyeliner, I'm not extending the eyeliner. Just putting it on the lash band. And then finally setting my makeup with this Colorbar Stay the Day Finishing Mist. And this is the finished look. So I wanted to give you guys two other lip options. So now I'm lining my lips with this Miss Claire lip liner in the shade Indian Red, and then applying this MAC Ruby Woo, and then the Colorbar Take Me As I Am Sensuous Red, and then this Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Mousse. All the products I used in this video are listed in the description box below, so please check that out. It looks very chic and very glam. Next, I'm applying this berry shade from Avon, and then I'm using this Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade number 12. And I love this lip with this eye look. It takes it to a whole new level. It looks so glam yet very soft. I think this one is perfect for a prom look. I absolutely love this. So this is my finished makeup look. I hope you like it, and if you did, then please like, share and comment down below. Also subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can be notified every time I upload any new video. We have reached 10k subscribers and I'm super happy. Thank you so much. Can't wait for 20k. I hope we reach there soon. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.